Welcome to the Marches, as you've never seen it before. We're a family of counties. There are no boundaries. We're proud British producers, rich with history, arts and founders. We're excited to show you what's all around us. We develop, sow, produce and grow. Progression is what we know. We are rooted in tradition, driven by tech missions with limitless ambition. It's our tradition. We are rich in history, evolutionary, beautiful. We are visionaries with endless possibilities. Revolution and evolution. It's not just our past, it's in everything we do. And that's where our story begins.